In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from Pinterest using a simple online video downloader. To get started, open Pinterest in your web browser and find the video pin you want to save. Click the pin to open it fully, then go to your browser's address bar and copy the complete URL for that video. Quick side note, for more simple Pinterest tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, open a new browser tab and visit an online Pinterest video tool, such as ClickPin or Pinpeer. These tools use the Pinterest link you copied to locate the video file for you. Once the site is open, paste the full Pinterest URL into its input box. Then click the download or fetch button, depending on which tool you're using. The website should process the link and give you a download option for the video. Choose the available download button to save the file to your device. Just make sure you only download and use content you have permission to save. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a video from Pinterest.